Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn new topic in Microsoft Excel. Data show into number of specific column. This is our data and 735, 857, 334 and so on. And we have mentioned here the data would show in different columns. This is example. This is column number 1, column number 2, column number 3 and column number 4. We have mentioned here three columns 3. This data will show in column 3. 1, 2 and 3 will show in 3 different columns. If we here type 4, the data will show in 4 different columns. If we type here 1, then data will show in only column number 1. If we here type 2, then data will show in 2 different columns. We use here just if condition and show data in different columns. How to do it? Let's do in example. We use if this is equal to this, then show this, otherwise 0. And we have to copy this formula into rows and columns, therefore we have to fix our formula. D17, we have to fix D17. We use $sign to fix the column. Then we have to fix 12. We use $sign here. We have to fix C column, therefore we have to use $sign here. We copy this formula and paste here. Here we show 2 to 5 showing column number 1, therefore it is showing in only column number 1. If we show type here 2, then it is showing in column number 2, but we have to show in column number 1 as well. We have to edit this formula. If this is greater than 0, then show this, otherwise 0. This is our final formula. We copy this and paste in remaining cells. Here you see we have to show 2 to 5 in 2 columns. This is our result. 2 to 5 is showing in 2 columns. If we type here 1, 2 to 5 is showing in column number 1 only. If we type here 4, 2 to 5 showing in 4 columns. 859 showing in 4 columns. If we type here 1, if we type here 334 is showing in only 1 column, we have to type 3. 334 is showing in 3 columns. 2, 857 type showing 2 columns. 735, if we type here 4, then 735 is showing 4 different columns. If we type here 1, then 735 is showing only 1 column. Hopefully you understand this video, and if you have any query, you may please comment us. Thank you so much.